Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the WE Knives Yucha. It's a flipper liner lock knife, and overall length is 8.7 inches. Blade length is 3.9 inches of S35 VN steel. It's got a weird but cool harpoon blade shape on it. That head at the top is kind of cool. 4.7 inches in length for the handles, and they have gold titanium on this model for the liner and carbon fiber for the scales. Really, really, really pretty, I think. You might disagree with me, but you're wrong. Pocket clip for tip-up right-handed carry, only 4.38 ounces, and here's a tactical clothespin for size comparison. A couple things about this knife. There's a bunch of different color options. So we've got gold with stonewash blade. It comes in black as well. You can get black with black blade with the titanium, just regular titanium, and you can also get the titanium in blue. Other fun thing about this, Epic Snuggle Bunny was on our channel, what I want to say in September, October, I don't know. And he brought one of these prototypes on. So if you want to watch that video, I'll link right up there. There you go. So guys, go ahead and buy this knife at bladehq.com. This is the WE Knives Yucha.